Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to set fingerprint in Android phone. Follow these easy steps. So as you can see right now, I'm on my Android phone lock screen, and currently here we can see fingerprint unlock option is not showing up. Now I will show you how to easily set up fingerprint in any Android phone. Go to your Android phone settings. And here scroll down and tap on security and privacy. And here tap on lock screen. And here you should see this fingerprints option if your Android phone supports fingerprints. Or you can search for the fingerprints from your settings app home screen by tapping on this search icon. And now type here fingerprints and just tap on. Once you successfully verified, tap on continue. And now it's time to register our fingerprint. So tap on register. And here we can see a fingerprint scanner. All you have to need, put your finger here and lift your finger to continue. Just follow these instructions to confirm. Now just tapping on done. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added my first fingerprint. Now I'm going to lock my Android phone. And now, as you can see, the fingerprint unlock has been successfully added. Now I can easily unlock my phone using fingerprint. The same way, if you want to add multiple fingerprints, just come to this fingerprint settings page and tap on fingerprints, verify your pattern, and tap on add fingerprint and register, and then you'll be able to set up your second fingerprint like this phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.